That's her water. It's the first water she's had since last night. The goal is that she learns she needs me. She wants it, but she's not sure how bad yet. I guess now she's circling the good thing, wanting it, knowing she needs it. And of all things, the chicken wants a drink. Oh my gosh. And since when did chickens belong in a round pen? Easy, girl. Oh, there it is again. She's half that friendly to me today. I'll be happy. Okay, I guess we'll get to work and offer the water again later.